Effective heating and cooling systems are important for all vehicle owners, but especially here in Arizona. After all, who wants to suffer through our hot summers in a sweltering vehicle? Or why shiver uncomfortably during the cooler winter months? Plus, there are actually two systems in your car that are in charge of cooling: your AC system, which keeps you cool, and the cooling system that keeps your vehicle from overheating. If you'd rather not rely on the air coming in your open windows to keep you cool, watch out for these most common AC system issues. Refrigerant is the gas that cools the air. When the quantity is too low or it becomes contaminated with debris, your AC system will run less efficiently. That means some components may get overworked and require repair or replacement. Your air conditioning system is full of components like hoses, gaskets, and seals, all of which can break down over time. When they do, the entire system works less efficiently and can cost you more money. When's the best time to schedule AC service? Before you need it. It doesn't hurt to have us inspect the system each season before the outside temps heat up and you're really desperate for air conditioning. That way, any potential problems can be diagnosed and fixed before they affect your comfort. If you think driving a vehicle without a functioning AC is uncomfortable, how about getting stranded by the side of the road because your car overheated? Properly maintaining your vehicle's cooling system can contribute to a more comfortable and safer ride. It can also help eliminate some expensive repairs. Common cooling system problems include a leaking radiator or hose connection, low or contaminated coolant, and worn out or cracked belts or hoses. We recommend cooling system service every 12 months. That way, any potential problems are discovered early, saving you both the expense and discomfort of a breakdown or extensive repairs. Living here in Arizona, your vehicle's heating system may go forgotten most of the year, until we have that first chilly morning and you're desperate for some extra warmth. The most common heating system problems include low coolant, air in the system, and a faulty thermostat. With any of these problems, your system becomes less efficient and less reliable. If you're a do-it-yourself person, you may enjoy doing some simple vehicle maintenance tasks like an oil change yourself. When it comes to heating and cooling, however, it's best to leave the repairs to the professionals. Why? Because using the wrong fluids or equipment could end up costing you thousands of dollars in damage. At Good Works Auto Repair, we have trained technicians and specialized equipment to get the job done efficiently and accurately. Simply give us a call to schedule an appointment today.